Today you are going to see how to earn on your first sign up from the shopping site called Myntra. You can get 400 rupees off on your first shopping and plus a free shipping on your first order. Download the Myntra app from your Google Play Store, and then when you open it, the first interface you see is this sign up page. Enter your mobile number and then click on continue, and you can see complete your sign up page. Here you need to type a password which has 8 characters, one special case, one uppercase and a numeric, and then enter your details like giving your full name and email ID, that is optional again, and then click on create account. The next, you can even add an alternate number, but that is optional. As you can see in your profile, there is an option called refer and earn. Click on it, and then you can see if your friends use this referral code, they get rupees 100 on their first sign up and you get rupees 200. You can send this referral code by just clicking on it. It gets copied, or by clicking on send invite option, by which you can invite using various social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook and so on. So do install this app Myntra from Google Play Store, and along with shopping, earn cash in your wallet by referring this code to your friends. So get started. For more information on online money making, you may join our free internship program, Yuva Atmanirbhar project. In this internship, you will learn how to earn money by sitting at home. IPSR started this project with an aim to make 1 lakh students self-reliant through this internship. You will be learning about social media marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. And with that, you will have an opportunity to earn according to your performance. You will also get project guidance from our well-experienced digital marketing team. Yarn project is an internship program and it's absolutely free. You need not spend money for this internship. To be part of this program, you need to fill the application form and submit. So, click on the link in the description below and become part of this exciting opportunity to enhance your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.